rub in the fat. I've already sieved some flour. I have butter that I need to rub in. I've cut it up into small chunks, and I've also made sure that it's been out of the fridge a long time so it's nice and soft, if you can see. Pop it into your flour, and then we're going to use our fingertips, okay? So first of all, you will need to press a little bit harder just to break up the butter. And then afterwards, once you've squashed it in there a little bit, you'll start to do this technique where we rub in the fat using just our fingertips. And as you can see, the only bits that have flour on are my fingertips, because when you rub the fat between your fingertips into the flour, and eventually you will find that it becomes a breadcrumb like consistency, and that will be when it is done. As you can see, they're starting to form some little lumps, and just continue to press very lightly to mix it in.